down, thinking about the world spinning round. Have you ever been high as fuck? In the bathroom mirror, talking to yourself, and your dog's looking at you like you need help. Have you ever been high as fuck? Then you feel your heart bumping really fast. You're convinced that you're gonna have a heart attack. Have you ever been high as fuck?